What's up, LK fam? So today I'm gonna be doing a night routine plus cooking for just me and LJ. So tonight is gonna be a quick and easy night. I'm cooking rice, peas, and pork chop. I'm so glad the pork chop is already unthawed. So glad I ain't got it unthaw when I and gotta wait around for it. So I'm gonna get me and LJ stuff together. Because he take baths with me. Unless you know otherwise. So I'm gonna get me and his stuff together. We gonna bathe. And then I'm gonna put like some dark pants on him so he can just crawl on the floor so his knees and legs and stuff won't get back dirty when, you know, he get out to and stuff. Because I like bathing before I eat. Because I don't know, it's just me. I just like feeling so comfortable eating. Then after I'm done eating, I can get in this bed instead of taking a bath, then get in this bed. This is what I like. So I'm gonna have to clean back up my room because LJ toys is just everywhere. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And this whole video, I'm not gonna be talking. It's just gonna be music playing in the background because Leon wanna call me. Then y'all won't be able to hear me talking. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. And Leon's supposed to be posting a video today too, so stay tuned. So guys, I just got in my tub. We both just got to. I put my clothes in the bathroom because there's a boys living in this house. So of course I'm not gonna walk around with towels to my room. So I'm gonna put his clothes on. John might put his clothes on. Then I'm gonna start cooking while he just playing with his toys. Use this to end. I don't know what this from. It was like a gift from my boyfriend for Christmas about 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago. So use this yeah, but yeah, this is what it is. I'm gonna put it in the I'm gonna try to find a link and put it in the description so y'all can try this out. And what my deodorant? I know I just had my deodorant. Oh, there you go. Yes. Time to cook. So you guys, that is it for this video. He's about to go to sleep. It's right about 8 something now, and he been doing all this crying when I was cooking and stuff. So now I know he's sleeping and he's trying to doggone touch the flashlight. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I should be posting another video tomorrow, hopefully. But good night, guys. I hope y'all enjoy your night and the next morning.